In this video, we are going to see about binary number system. First of all, what is meant by binary numbers? In the name, that is by. By means two. Only two distinct numbers are in the binary values. What are those? They are zeros and ones. Okay. Why we are going to learn about the binary numbers? Because every computer uses the binary values. Okay. Only the binary values are understandable by the computers. We have previously heard about the compilers. The purpose of using the compiler in every programming language is to convert the source code into a machine level code, that is machine understandable code. Okay, it only converts the source code into a binary code or byte code. Okay, see here in this table, the decimal values are written in left side and binary values are written in right side. The equivalent of 0 is 4 zeros. It may be 1 0, 2 0. That doesn't matter. You may write 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. In this representation, I just wrote like 4 zeros. And decimal value 1 is equivalent to binary value 1. Then for decimal value 2, it is equivalent to 1 0. Now, how to convert a decimal value into a binary value? Let's all see that. See here, conversion of a decimal value into a binary value. We basically know that decimal value have the base as 10. See here, 10 as a base. After this 14, we have 10. So 14 is a decimal value. It represents 14 as a decimal value to base 2. Base 2 means it represents to convert it into a binary value. Okay, now see here. We shall convert the decimal value 14 to its equivalent binary value. First, how to convert this value? Repeated division of 2. We do repeated division of 2 and take their remainder. See here, first divide the 14 by 2. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0 and the quotient is 7. Now, again divide it by 2. Now, the quotient is 3, remainder is 1. Again divided by 2. Remainder is 1, quotient is 1. Again divide by 2. Remainder is 1 and quotient is 0. Now, take from this order. This order. What is the disorder? 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, in this order, we get 1, 1, 1, 0. We may also take 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. But 0 in front of the binary value is not considerable. Okay, so take 1, 1, 1, 0. So this is the equivalent binary for a decimal value 14. Now, see here, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Okay, what is mean by bits? A bit is a memory which can have a either 0 or 1. Okay, so if we have 8 bits, it is equivalent to 1 byte. In Turbo C, we have some data types like integer, float, decimal, double, etc. so on. In that, integer value have 16 bits. It means 2 bytes which have either 1 or 0 in 16 distinct places. Okay, in that order, see here. Here there are 16 zeros which represent the decimal value as 0. And we have 15 0 and 1 1 which represent 1. And see here, there are 14 zeros and 1 0 which represent 2. And so on up to 10. I have written here. Okay, this is how the computer will convert an integer value from decimal to binary. Okay, in Turbo C. Now, see here how to represent -10 in binary in Turbo C. See here, there are 1, 1, 1 continuously and 0, 1, 1, 0. But how we convert the -10 into this binary value? How? Just take the ones complement of 10. Okay, we need to find -10. So we take the binary value of 10. Then convert it into ones complement. What is ones complement? Just flip the bits. Flipping means 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Okay. Now take the 2's complement. What is 2's complement? Just add 1. We add 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. What is the binary equivalent of 2? 1, 0. So put 0 here and carry 1. Okay. 1 plus 0 plus 1. Again 1. So this is the binary equivalent. Okay. For -10. This is how we need to convert a decimal to binary value when the decimal value is negative. Now, see here. Till now, I have told you about the Turbo C because it has only 16 bits. Okay. Now, we can check for the Python. Python 2 have integer data type. Now, what is the size of the integer data type? See here. Size of integer data type is 28 bytes. I have told you Turbo C have only 2 bytes. That is 16 bits. But see here, it has 28 bytes. Then it have 28 into 8 bits. Okay. This is why Python is slower than C. See here, if we have 28 bytes, the processing time will be increased. Okay, this is why Python is slower than C. This is also one factor. Now, till now, we have done for conversion from decimal to binary. Now, we are going to see about binary to decimal. This is also some easy. See here. First of all, you have given some value. This is the value you are given. Starting from 0, and at some position, it comes 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, how to convert this? Just assign some values like this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is increasing from right to left. Now, just take this 1, multiplication, 2 power 6. 1 into 2 power 6 plus 0 into 2 power 5. Anything multiplication of 0, it remains 0. So, we have taken as 0. Then 1 into 2 power 4. Then 0, 0, 0. Then 1 into 2 power 0. Okay, see here. After adding this, we get 81 as a final result. So this is how we can convert binary value into a decimal value. Okay. Now see this example 2. Here, I'm having a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, so on. At some position 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, if we contain a 1 in most significant bit, then it is termed as a negative value. Okay, this 1 represents the negative value. This binary value is negative. Okay, now how to convert a negative binary value into a negative decimal value? It's simple. Just take this 0 and this 0. In which position they are lying? The 0 is at, see here, this 1, sorry, this 0, 1, 2. So this 0 is lying at a position 2. So minus 2 power 2. Then this 1 is 3. Then this 0 is 4. So minus 2 power 4. Then at last just add -1. Okay, you will get answer -21. Fine. Now, see this example 3. If you are given all ones, okay. Now see, this most significant bit represent minus value, and there are no zeros. So we just add -1. See here, at last we are adding -1. There are no zeros, so we are adding just -1. So the answer is -1. Okay, this is the, so these are the questions you have to try out. Try out. These are the questions you have to try out. See here, first one is convert the following from decimal to binary. Okay, convert these following numbers from decimal to binary, and convert these numbers from binary to decimal. Here I have given 0 and triple dots to represent that it is a positive number. Okay, here I have given this 1 to represent it is a negative number. Okay, these are the questions to solve.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.